Hey guys, welcome to Online Money Goal. So today in this video we are going to talk about really interesting the topic that I really love a lot. So it's nothing but selling your goods online. So here today I'm going to introduce you guys to a website which I think most of you would know about it, because I personally love this website a lot because I love making lot of handicraft items, selling it online and making money out of it. So the most satisfying part for me in that is packaging the order. It is so nice. I really love it. If you guys are interested in this topic, stay tuned and make sure you stay till the end, so that I'm going to share everything about this website. And really guys, this is so much cheaper than opening a traditional shop, because online you don't have to rent any place, or even you don't have to host a website on your own. So this is the website guys, Etsy. I think you must have known this website a lot because so many people are using it. It also offers a marketplace where you can actually sell it, like your product will be listed in the marketplace. When people are searching for a product, if your product pops up, they will be buying it. This website is used by millions of people, so there is a chance of your product getting sold out easily, because if you host a traditional website, it might take a lot of time for customers to get inside, because you are the sole owner to publish and market it at the same time, because it takes a lot of time to market it. But this one is already well known, so people might be getting your product so easily than your traditional website way. So here, as you can see, they are charging $0.2 for each listing. Like each listing is for every product that you're going to put out in your store, Etsy store. They will be charging $0.2. If you are converting it to Indian currency, it is around 15 rupees. So I think it's so cheap. But then they are not leaving it by that fun. They are also charging they're also going to charge 5% transaction fee. If a person is going to buy from you, they are going to charge 5% in that transaction. So that is one thing. And payment processing fee, which is when your item is sold, the amount will be transferred to your PayPal. So that payment processing will take a charge. So that is also deducted from your sale. And also there is one more thing that they haven't listed out, which is for marketing. They will be charging around 5%, I think. I'm not sure about it, but they are also charging for marketing, like outside the site. They will be marketing it in order to get sales. So if you want, you can choose it. If you don't want, you can opt that one. That is optional. But then these fees which I have told you, like the listing fee, transaction fee and payment processing fee, are must, which you have to pay. So those are all the fees. Then I will walk you through the process of setting up, so stay tuned. And if you haven't subscribed yet to the channel, please subscribe and click on the bell notification, so that you won't miss any update from our channel. Now for the process, I will also show you it how to set up your store here, because I own a store in Etsy. I will be showing you guys my store. When my store hits some satisfactory level of sales, I am selling it, because I really love selling products online. Apart from talking about making money, I do these kind of things. I really love doing online stores, packaging orders. I love that. So I'm doing this guys. And here, as you can see, there are so many categories available. You can sell anything, seriously. There are so many categories, starting from digital products. You can sell digital products in Etsy. When the person buys it, they will be getting a link to download the product. So you can sell digital products here. You can sell thank you cards. You can sell posters. You can sell jewelry items, something like bracelets, chain, customized one. And you can sell so many gift options available. You can check out this Etsy's website. Link will be on the description box below. You can check it out. There are so many options available. Choose which really interests you, because it totally depends upon how you are going to make it out. Because only when you are interested in certain thing, you can do it without thinking about how much time it is taking. So shipping, I think the best way is you have to choose something local. Like if you are in USPS is really cheap, as far as I know. In here, India Post is cheap, so you can choose that. So choose whichever shipping is really cost effective. see, as you can see, these are all the example products that I really love. Look at that one, the dragonfly, which they have done it with glass, is really superb. Like something like that, guys. Do something innovative. Marketing is the key point that is going to make the sales rolling in. So guys, let me tell you clearly that when you are opening the shop for the first time, like if you are going to sign up now and if you are going to open the store now, you will be charged $1, which is 78 rupees for the first time opening the store. And after that, your product, whenever you are uploading a new listing, you won't be charged, but then you will be charged $0.2, that is 15 rupees when the product expires. A product has a 4 months of expiration time, after which it will be charged 15 rupees. So I think that 15 rupees is reasonable, and it actually, you have to think that only uploading a single product, which is going to cost you 15 rupees, is not going to bring you sales. You have to upload at least 30, like 30 something. So think about it, whether it will be cheap for you, or there are so many options available, guys. E-commerce platform, I will also make sure I upload a lot of videos on this topic, because I really love. I have set up a new store. I will surely show you that store when it, as I have said you, when it attains a satisfactory amount of sales. I will be publishing it here in this channel itself. So stay tuned, guys. Make sure you subscribe it. As you can see on the screen, there are so many options available to sell. Look at that art, that is digital one. You will get instant download link when the person buys it. So there are so many options available to sell. Not only the physical goods, you can sell digital even when you are starting up, because it is not going to cost you anything other than making product mock-ups, and you should have the software, might be Photoshop or Adobe Illustrator. If you are going to do it, the designs and all, it might the software might cost you a bit, but then it is more cheaper than making a physical product itself. So that's all about my idea, guys. There are so many things. If you want ideas like what products you can sell online, you can do comment it below. If I can, I will make a separate video, or I will answer it in the comments itself. So as you can see on the screen, this is a screenshot when I took when I was uploading my first listing here. This is the process, guys. You have to upload your shop details, you have to upload a few listing details, and you have to set up the store, how you will be getting paid. You have to enter that PayPal address and then set up the billing. That, so yeah, guys, if you like it, give it a thumbs up. It will be a great boost for me to make a lot of videos. And if you like this, or if you know people who are interested in this topic, you can share this video to them. It will be helpful for it. And also remember that Etsy is not free, it is going to charge you. And that's all about it, guys. If you have any doubts, do comment it below. I'll make sure I answer it as soon as possible, and meet you all in the next video, guys. Until then, bye and thank you.